Greetings. We all know the importance of draft for injection molded components. It helps us get a part out of the mold easily. If a part's not drafted well, it can affect cycle times, dimensional control, can even cause distortion or cosmetic issues, all affecting our cost model. Autodesk Inventor has a nice inspection tool for analyzing draft. If you want to take design for manufacturability one step further, Autodesk Inventor Tooling has a couple of neat tools. One that I want to talk about is the patch command. The patch surface function is smart and results are dependent on how well your design is drafted. As you can see with the red wireframe of this part, the vertical walls have no draft, and that'll cause some confusion when trying to generate patch surfaces. Patching surfaces are internal faces we want to use as shutoffs. As we can see here, the bottom face is a surface we don't want to patch. We want the core to come up through there. But again, because there's no draft on that vertical wall, we have one that's generated there that we need to delete. The other patch surfaces are in the correct location. Ideally, we want to have the most surface area on the core. That's the moving half where we want the part to stick to, and that's where we also eject the part from the mold. So having patching surfaces up on the A half is a good thing. Now, not necessarily what you want all the time. Here we've got an example of a part where I've drafted a couple bosses in different ways. One from the A half or cavity half, one straight from the back or core half, and then another that I split in between. So coring is coming from the A half, cavity half, and the core side. Here we can see again, this patching command is intelligent. It's taking how I've drafted these surfaces into account. This is a great way to validate your design intent as well as check for design for manufacturability. Autodesk Inventor Tooling is not just for creating mold design. It also can be used, like we saw right here, to check design intent, how you've drafted your part, where your patch or shutoff surfaces should be. You can also create a quick parting line or runoff surfaces and do a check for undercuts with the parting line diagnostic. Thank you, and I hope you've enjoyed this tip.